Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I'm going to show you how to make French fries. Peel the potato and cut them down, and we'll make 3 more cuts. And then you have your French fry shape, your bâtonnets, right into the water. Preheat our oil in the fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Dry them off a little bit. Blanching, you want to blanch your fries, cook them all the way through. Dry them off, fry basket, put them into the fryer for a couple of minutes. Drain off that oil to 375. And let me show you why we want to do that second fry, because if you were to put this on a plate for somebody, I doubt that they would be impressed, right? So they're not crispy. So this second fry is how you get it. You see how the oil is kind of slow? Watch what happens whenever we first put them in. You see how active that oil is? Those are indicators of doneness, right? So we'll go ahead and pull these guys up, and now we want to get salt on them immediately.